Yo ninjas and Kaio, welcome to this new series of daily videos to level up your power moves. I will upload one video per day from December 1st until December 24th. In each video I'm gonna show you some exercises or a little combo to improve your power move. We're gonna start easy in the first episodes so you can still follow them if you are a beginner as well, and we are gonna increase the level step by step. The goal of this 24 video program is to improve your power move control and create new combos and opportunities with the power moves you have. Beside this program, I'm also gonna post daily on Patreon from December 1st to December 24th. In my daily Patreon videos, I'm gonna focus on how to be more creative with the power moves you have and with the combos that I'm teaching in these tutorials. So make sure to join my Patreon, link in the description, and let's start! So this is the last episode of this series. We're gonna do a footwork to power move transition. We're gonna do a two-step to air flare or one-step to air flare if you want. If you cannot do air flares, you can connect flares or swipes instead. Why did I choose this combo as the last episode? Because in most of the videos until now, we focus more on power control, on freezes, on learning the good posture to learn the power moves or to improve the power moves. So this time I really want to focus on power. To do this transition, you should just rely on the power of the two-step or the one-step. And this combo is going to be very useful if you want to learn flares to air flares or if you want to make your power moves more powerful. Because in order to lift yourself up and to maintain the speed and the rotation, the momentum from the two-step or from the one-step to your power moves, you really have to kick in a powerful way and to swing the leg like this, very strong. This kick here is going to be very important for the flare, for the swipes, and even for low air flares. So first of all, make sure you can do a two-step and a one-step. How to do them briefly? For the two-step, if you spin clockwise towards the right, like me, you straighten the right leg like this. From here, you jump and you want to swing the left leg all around. You can also do the two-step in a more linear way, so just doing 1, 2, and then jumping. But this way is not going to give you so much power. So if you really want to use it to connect power moves, you really have to swing. 1, 2, swing, and jump here. So here you will jump and then land 1 and then 2. Get a little bit comfortable just doing a two-step with a very big swing first and try to make your two-step very dynamic. If you can learn a very dynamic two-step, it will already be very useful for swipes, for low air flares and for flares. So if you cannot do these moves, I really recommend learning a very dynamic and powerful two-step. At first, start with a small one, kind of like this. 1, 2, jump, 1, 2, jump, 1, 2, jump. But then make it faster and try to jump a little higher. For the one step, it's the same, but we are gonna just remove the first step of the two step. So this step here, straightening the right leg. But from here, from the position 0, we're gonna directly kick and swing like this, then jump and then land with the same leg. It's the same as an helicopter, but by turning in each round from here to here to here to here, and by jumping higher and making your legs wider. Same thing for this move. The more you improve it, the more you can make it dynamic and powerful, the more you will improve your swipes, your flares, and even your low air flares. Again, same as the two-step, start very small, swing, jump, swing and jump, swing and jump. Start like this, slowly, and then with time try to make it more powerful and higher. When your two-step and your one-step are very powerful and wide, try to connect them into windmill at first. I already showed this transition in another tutorial, check it out. I will leave the link in the description. After learning how to connect one-step or two-step to windmills, next step would be connecting it to flares or to swipes. For this tutorial, I'm going to connect them to swipes first, because it's a little bit more similar to an air flare. I'm going to start with a two-step. 1, 2, from here jump and swing this leg, the left leg, and directly jump into a swipe. So jump to this position here. It's hard to make it slow, because this move relies on speed and power. Again, I show you from this perspective. You should really get very comfortable with this transition first. Once you get it, try to connect it multiple times. So, two-step, to swipe, to two-step again, to swipe again, and so on. Usually when you do footworks, you have to maintain your hand on the floor in this way, not flat on the floor. But in this case, since we are going to connect all the time to power moves, you can even place your hands flat on the floor to make the movement more dynamic. Once you get the two-step to swipe to two-step to swipe, try the same for the one-step. One-step to swipe at first, only one time. When you get comfortable with it, one-step to swipe to one-step to swipe. It could be useful even if you try just the normal helicopter to swipe, so staying in the front when you do the one-step or helicopter. So instead of turning in this way, when you do the helicopter or one-step, going for the swipe to the other side, you can stay to the front. So you can do the one-step like this, place your hands on the front, and from here jump and kind of like land in a swipe position towards this direction, probably. Depends on how fast you are. If you are very fast, you have much momentum, probably from the one step. From here you will turn more and you will end up here in a swipe. If you don't have much momentum, instead, probably from here you will jump and land a swipe here. But yeah, you can try in both ways. So you can try like this, and then second like this. If you can do the two-step to swipe to two-step and the one-step to swipe to one-step smooth and fast, you are ready to practice the two-step to air flare and the one-step to air flare. It's the same concept, same technique, you just have to push a little harder and swing fast for the air flare. Probably since you start very low in this position, from here you cannot rely so much on doing a very technical air flare because you will be kind of low, especially at first, but you have to rely more on speed. If your air flare is too high, almost vertical, this is a very good exercise to lower your air flare. Because as I said, it's very challenging and hard from the swing to go up to a handstand. You can do it if you want, you can even connect 90s from here, but it's hard to get up in this way. So the first time your body angle will be lower. It could look something like this at first. Don't worry, keep practicing it. With time, it will get better. Remember, to go up from a handstand, you don't wanna cheat with this foot on the floor. So you don't wanna do this. Place this foot on the floor and then lift yourself up like this. It would be too easy. We're not doing that, but we're gonna swinging this leg. So this leg is up in the air the whole time. It doesn't touch the floor. From here, you just have to jump with this and keep kicking with the left. And this foot never touches the floor. So it's not this. You are killing the momentum by placing the foot on the floor, or you are not relying on the speed of the movement. It's not even a good exercise because it's the same as doing this thing here. You are just cheating and pushing with this foot on the floor. If you cannot lift yourself up at first, just practice the basics. So just practice the two-step or one-step to belly freeze at first and then go to windmills until it feels very comfortable. And even when you do it, one step or two step to windmill, don't cheat with this foot on the floor. Don't do this and then go to the tar freeze or side freeze, but you have to swing and maintain the left foot up in the air. So like this. When you get comfortable with it, try to get higher and higher with time until you can connect a swipe. Or if you want, you can try to connect a flare. But yeah, if you're able to push yourself up from the one step in a handstand, you can already connect 90s or maybe more technical air flares and doing them slower. For me, this is harder. It's harder for me to get from the one step or two step up to a handstand or a 90. So I have to rely more on speed, but you can totally do it if you're able to. Get more creative with this combo and with your power moves, join my Patreon, link in the description. As I said in the beginning, we are going to increase the level step by step. If you want to follow this program and try these combos, maybe you can try to post your videos and tag me on my Instagram at Kaio so I can check your progress about these combos and exercises, and I will share your posts on my Instagram story. Doesn't matter if you do it fast, you can do it slowly. See you tomorrow with a new combo and new exercises. Yo ninjas!